Here I have LENOVO Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first you go to the upper bar, and here you can find screen recorder. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record screen shortcuts, like you can enable click power and volume up, hold power and volume up. You can set up screen resolution, you can select sound source, and you can also display touch position. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, tap got it, and the recording menu appear. Here you can switch your sound source. By tapping on the red button you can start recording. So I don't know, let's record something. After you're done recording, tap on the red button once again, and recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen recorder section here. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.